Look at this fresh harvest. The factory is running at full speed to get these potatoes processed today.
To ensure even cooking, the potatoes are sliced with absolute precision.
The data confirms the slice thickness is stabilizing.
Good, but keep an eye on the frying temperature graph. It's still running a bit hot.
Yield metrics on line 3 are stabilizing, but we need to optimize the fryer temperature.
Agreed. Let's check the sensor calibration before the next run.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how potato chips are made, from start to finish. Make your super store tiers. Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.